2025 was not just another year for Effivity. It was a year of listening, learning, and building with purpose. Every conversation with our customers, every challenge shared by our partners, every small feedback from users on the ground, all of it shaped what Effivity became this year. Together, we focused on one simple mission: make work easier, remove paperwork, let teams focus on what really matters. 2025 was a year of intense building for us. Not one feature, not two, but continuous improvements across the platform. While the Effivity grew stronger, something else was taking shape alongside it. A completely new way to think about processes. We will come back to this shortly. Before that, we focused on strengthening the core. From inspections to analytics, from mobility to reporting, we did something most platforms never revisit. We turned real work into animated case studies. Let us look at features in a completely new way.
We'll start with QR-based inspections, where a simple scan changed everything. Inspections have always started the same way, walking into the site with a pad, a pen, and a lot to note down. But we noticed something important: the QR code already there, waiting to be used better. This was the moment we questioned the process. Why carry paperwork when the data already exists on site? So we built a simpler way. The inspection moves to the mobile, right where the inspector is. One scan connects the inspector directly to the right asset, the right checklist, the right context. No rewriting, no guessing, everything appears instantly, structured and ready. The work feels lighter now, because the focus is on the inspection, not the paperwork. And the pen and pad stay behind, a small sign of a bigger change in how inspections get done. QR-based inspections removed paperwork from the field. The next challenge was clear: work must continue even without a network. That is where the mobile app with offline mode steps in. Not every inspection happens where networks are available. Many sites are remote, and connectivity isn't guaranteed. No signal usually means delays, missed entries, or work that has to be repeated later. This confusion is familiar. Inspections shouldn't stop just because the network does. So we designed the system to work even when the signal doesn't. The inspection continues, exactly as planned, without waiting for connectivity. Checklists remain accessible, structured, complete, and ready to use offline. The inspector focuses on the task, not on technical limitations. Photos, observations, and evidence are captured on site, in real time. Confidence comes from knowing the work is getting done even without a network. When the inspector returns, the process continues seamlessly. As soon as connectivity is available, the system is ready to sync. Data uploads automatically, records update, dashboards refresh, and information flows across teams. The update reaches the people who need it, without follow-ups or reminders. Compliance is visible instantly, a clear result of inspections completed without interruption. Work continued without interruptions, even in low or no connectivity. Once the data was captured, the next step was making sense of it. That is where Effivity's dashboards evolved. What once required scrolling through thousands of spreadsheet rows is now brought together in one clear view. Manual calculations are replaced by live dashboards, where numbers organize themselves instantly. Scattered notes and reminders give way to insights that are easy to see and understand. When time used to move slowly, information now moves faster. The question of what does this data mean is answered immediately because the system is designed to make it clear. Clarity came alive on the dashboard. Now it's time for powerful reporting across formats. Reporting used to be stressful and time-consuming, so we redesigned it to feel calm and effortless. Instead of copying data into Word, adjusting Excel tables, and building slides one by one, reports are now generated in every required format with a single action. When time once felt wasted, progress is now visible immediately. Hours of effort are replaced by moments, leaving time for what actually matters. Powerful reporting across formats made sharing information easy. Next, we focused on making document control smarter. Document work often started in chaos. Papers everywhere, no clear structure. Multiple versions piled up, making it hard to know which one was right. This confusion created stress and slowed down everyday work. We recognized that the problem wasn't effort, it was the lack of control. So we built a way to move everything into one place, without the clutter. With a few clicks, documents are organized, versioned, and clearly identified. The desk stays clean, the mind stays clear, because the system now handles the complexity. Smarter document control brought structure and consistency. The next improvement is multipurpose bulk action. Approvals often begin at the desk, with limited time and growing responsibility. They arrive in volume, all at once. Files stack up, each one demanding attention. Every document is urgent, but time isn't. This weight slows decisions and drains focus. Reviewing page by page becomes the routine. And time keeps moving. We saw this wasn't about effort, it was about scale, so we removed the paperwork and kept the control. Approvals now happen together, tracked, signed, and recorded in a single action. What once took hours is completed with clarity. Work ends without the backlog. The impact reaches beyond one desk. Updates are shared instantly, without follow-ups. And paper fades away, replaced by a process that respects time and responsibility. Multipurpose bulk actions save time across everyday tasks. Next came enhanced themes and personalized prints. Daily work happens on screens for long hours. But not every interface feels comfortable to use. We noticed how small design choices can affect focus and comfort. So we made the experience adaptable, letting the screen adjust to the user. Work feels easier when the interface works with you. Documents don't stop at the screen, they still need to be shared. Traditional formats often feel outdated and hard to present. We recognized this gap between good data and poor presentation. So we rebuilt the output to look clear, modern, and ready to use. When presentation improves, confidence follows.
With that, we completed a major chapter of Effivity in 2025. But this year was not only about improving what already existed. Remember the new way to think about processes we mentioned earlier. This is where it comes into focus. For more than 10 years, we have lived in the compliance world. We listened. We learned. We worked closely with teams across industries. And one thought stayed with us throughout the time. What should be our next step beyond compliance? What if building applications did not start with code? What if it started with a process? That question became VegamAI. It's beautifully simple. Just describe what you need, in plain language, as naturally as you'd chat with a colleague or friend. It creates, it builds, it delivers. Complete workflows generated automatically and instantly. Review the workflow, and if you need change, yes, it is possible to edit. Add fields, set rules, rearrange steps, and modify it based on your requirements. Then click Generate. Within seconds, VegamAI artifacts generate summary in that form. Workflow, dashboard, user guide, process configuration, documentation, print template, report. Everything you need, generated automatically and instantly. And we want you to experience it firsthand with our free trial, available right now. VegamAI is just getting started, with 2025 laying the foundation, and 2026 set to scale it further. While we built for the future, 2025 also delivered strong growth for Effivity. 2025 was a year of real momentum for Effivity. We welcomed 100+ new customers across 20+ countries. Different industries, different challenges. One trusted platform. That trust reflects clearly in feedback. Effivity earned multiple 5-star ratings across customer satisfaction platforms. Users consistently highlighted fast response times, reliable performance, and strong support. The numbers tell the story. Effivity is growing, and the pace is only picking up. None of this happened alone. To our customers who trusted us, to our partners who believed in us, to our teams who built, tested, and improved every day. Thank you, and that is what makes this journey special. And now we look forward. More innovation, smarter automation, deeper impact. 2026 is not just about features. It is about creating better ways to work. This is Effivity, and the best is yet to come.